Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power to the HVAC at the breaker. This prevents shorts and protects the thermostat. Once done, remove the old thermostat face and take a clear photo of the wire terminals so you won't guess later. Make sure you have a screwdriver, the Nest base, and a C-wire adapter if your system lacks a common wire. You're now ready to compare labels, sort wires by color and terminal letter, and proceed to mounting without rushing. Now you align each labeled wire to the Nest base terminals. Match R to R, W to W, Y to Y, G to G, and C to C if present. Once labeled wires are inserted and firmly clamped, mount the base to the wall using the provided screws and built-in level so the display sits straight. Make sure wires are tucked behind the base and not pinched. If you used a C-wire adapter, attach it per instructions. A loose connector is the most. You restore power at the breaker and the Nest will boot. Follow the on-screen prompts to choose language, connect to Wi-Fi, and identify your HVAC system type. Make sure to run the built-in equipment test so the thermostat cycles heat and cool for verification. Once configured, set basic schedules or switch to manual mode if you prefer hand control. If the unit shows no power or intermittent behavior, check the C-wire connection and fuse at the furnace. Reboot the Nest after fixing wiring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.